Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Ancher AI with Notion. In order to do so, here we are at Ancher.ai, and what's Ancher all about? Well, it's your chief of staff for information. Anchor your mind, stay informed, not overwhelmed. And it's for AI professionals, news enthusiasts, students, writers, creators. What can Ancher do for you? Well, it's the feed that knows what matters to you even when you don't. It's your personal executive assistant who manages your daily information flow, surfacing what matters, always adapting, always focused. You can read a lot of good stuff, but you can't use it when it matters. Anchor Vault organized, but without organizing. The Anchor Vault captures the insights, ideas, and takeaways you'd normally lose, then organizes them so you can recall them naturally right when you need them. Most news apps give info, not what to do with it. You just read something, now here's what you can do about it. Do mode is your personal command center and intelligent contextual action layer that transforms passive reading into active doing. From insights to action, faster, deeper, and smarter. We've got some testimonials here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So you can see here that we have for the monthly, $14.99 a month for the starter, $29.99 for the pro, and $39.99 for the premier. And with the premier, you get unlimited anchors, unlimited active watch it for me, unlimited active plays in do mode, early access, always first in line, and full customization. Let's compare that with Notion. Notion is one workspace, zero busy work. It's where your teams and AI agents capture knowledge, find answers, and automate projects. Now a team of 7 feels like 70. You assign the tasks, your Notion agent does the work. Hand off your busy work. What used to take days in minutes. Tell it your goal and watch it works. It collaborates with your team. It knows everything you know. It's personalized to you. One search for everything, perfect notes every time, manage any project, big or small, more productivity, fewer tools. Bring all your tools and teams under one roof, calculate the savings below, and let Notion AI handle the busy work, from brainstorming to road mapping, revising landing pages, turning meetings into social posts, organizing your workspace, onboarding a new hire, transforming notes into tasks. You can try it for free. You can download it for Windows and other devices as well. Let's take a look at the pricing. So here we have the free version, and then we scale up to the plus, which is $10 a month. Let's take a look at the monthly. $12 a month. Then we have the business at $24 per member per month, and then the enterprise, which is custom pricing. So comparing that with Ancher, you are saving a little bit of money with Notion. So depending on which one is better for your needs, you can head to notion.com or Ancher.ai to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. Click on the link in our Linktree and you can get 60% off your first month. And check out our YouTube playlist that will tell you all about Cintra and how you can use it. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, Simply Financial, if you click on the link there in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.